This is the Osight XR, which is a enclosed emitter, 5 reticles, and also have a magnetic battery charging case, so you can just charge it while you store it away. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. In the box, you will obviously have the Osight XR and the charging case, and so far at the moment it's fully charged. Got a button on the side to say, so the charging case is fully charged. Come with various screws, got a little pouch for it, and a charging cable, USB-C, 9-yard at the tool to adjust the windage and elevation, as well as I think to screw them back on as well. Obviously in here you probably have some sticker somewhere. No stickers. So just this is the, oh yeah, there's a sticker in there, and the menu. So right, that's about it for what is all laid out. I'm going to put it on a airsoft gun and get some shooting starting.
How's it going, Mad Airsofters? Don't go just yet, I have more to show you. This is the Osight X. I just bought it myself. And without further ado, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Cut. Alright, got like a Olight standard. Got all the accessory here, screws and some pouches and tools and stuff. Alright.
This case is empty.
Well, for the sake of time, I already installed it to my SA226 GBB pistol. And look at that gun, it's so beautiful, isn't it? It's just so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's talking more shooting. Right, I'm about like 15 meters away from the target, and I'm trying to zero the gun. I am using 0.3 gram BBs, 0.3 grams. Well, I think the hop up has to be adjusted, cock it, and by rotating the rod here. What the? Alright, I think it's too light. Yeah. Setting the hop up is always require quite a bit of the patience. If I hit it, is that good? Okay. All right. That's impressive. Let's go further away. I think the hop up a little bit high. Turn it down. That's a hit. Right, I think we're all set. Let's go even further. 35 meters now. It still hit it. That's incredible. Jesus Christ. Well, that's good enough. I have 7 targets here, so this 6 I will finish at 50 meters, and last one I'll probably go for the furthest way, about 35 meters. All right, let's see what I can do. Target quite here. All right. And the second one. Got one. Nice. Alright, behind the car. Oh, I got it. That's amazing. Hit. Hit. Sweet. One target at a dark. See it. Oh, just down it. Great. What the fuck, man? Flying straight now. What the hell is double tap? Jesus. Again. 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 What the? That's crazy. What? I still hit it. Strange, but still a good gun. Alright, forgot to mention the Osight X has some of the features similar to the Osight XR, like changing the reticle by pressing the minus button, press and hold down to change it. I don't know if the camera can. I would probably use my phone. Hold down. It will change to like circle. Again. You got a dock inside the circle. And just in one rotation, go back to the dock. Yeah, it's that simple. What the? Okay, right. Hang on. Shaking it.
Houston, we have a problem.
Alright, bad news, mate. I think the screw in this one is snap. Part of the screw left inside in here. Just tiny bit, a little bit shorter. You can see the scrap. Damn it. Alright, anyway, let's just shoot it for the rest without the Osight. Reload. very snappy. Alright, thank you for watching, and see what happened for the Osight, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so the problem for the Osight coming off, the screws here on this side is chipping off by a little, just a little. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bit shorter. That's why the thread not biting it. But thankfully, Osight has come spare screws, so problem solved. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the Loctite, just to make sure they are tight enough. That's good. Voila, done. Yep, all good.